Guys, welcome back to Journal Output. It's me Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your iOS iPhone into a Android phone. This is a really amazing and a new trick that is going to convert your iPhone into a Android. So you can see I'm in settings, and I'm going to show you the specification of my phone. You can see I have iOS 14.4.2 and I have iPhone 6s. Remember that it is not going to work for iPhone SE first generation and also not going to work for iPhone 5s because of their small screens. So then you can see you are in settings, and the first work you gotta do is you are going to open Safari option, and then you have to click on over here, which is clear history and website data. Clear history and data, click on it. So this was the first work that we did, and now what we are going to do is we are going to go in a browser, Safari browser of the iPhone, and here I'm going to write down a website. Look at this very carefully. The link for the website is in down description box. You can check that out from there. So here we are going to enter. Go. So here's this website. We have to click on the icon that is down below right here. Right here, we have to click on over it, and then we have to click on Add to Home Screen right here. And now you can also change your name. I'm going to put it as Go for Journal Output. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to add it. As you can see here, this is the icon on the home screen, and we are going to click on it. And now we have to click on next. You can also read the things written right here. So we're going to click on next, and now again we have to click on next. And now we have to click on let's go. So here you can see we are in a Android phone. As you can see, remember the Wi-Fi must be connected when you are using this Android version in your iPhone. Your all things are not going to work in it because I told you that it's just a new and fun trick to convert your iPhone into a Android. You can show it to your family, friends, and your siblings that you are using a Android in a iPhone. So you can see this is going to work properly if your iPhone is your network, your internet or Wi-Fi is connected. As you can see, camera is also working. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get every new notification on time. And like this video. Even if you don't like the video, click the like button. If you click on home screen, you are going to come back to your screen. And remember, your Wi-Fi must be connected when you are using this Android version. Thank you for watching the video.